Hi, nice to meet you, Xiao.
Hello, welcome.
Could you please introduce you and your company for us?
Hello, everybody. Hello, everyone. This is Maisie from Kinglong Lighting. I have been working in Kinglong Lighting for nearly 3 years. Kinglong Lighting was established in 1993. Our company has nearly 31-year history, and we are targeting middle and high-level contemporary decorative lighting products.
Wow, that's a long history. And how long have you attended Canton Fair?
We have been attending Canton Fair for more than 10 years.
Ooh, as our old friend, what special gifts do you bring us today?
Yes, actually, this time we have been exhibiting a lot of best-selling collections as well as some new designs. Yes.
Could you please show us?
Sure. Firstly, I want to introduce you this cobblestone family. This family is 100% our original design. We have a EU patent. This is the patent I show you. Yes, EU patent. And this family, the most outstanding point lies in the material. We make use of the new optical material to achieve the effect of the crystal. And we have a full family from wall lamp to table lamp to ceiling lamp and chandelier. I think this family will sell more than 5 to 10 years.
Yeah, I definitely believe that. And what specialty does this light have?
This item actually, just now I have introduced that the light is up and down, and it's very clear and transparent. If customer didn't ask it, they think it's crystal, but actually it's not. It's a new optical material.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
interesting.
Quite
That's
special.
definitely-
Quite special.
Yeah, that's definitely the combination of aesthetic and innovation.
Yes.
And
Yes.
what else products?
Let's go inside. Okay. I want to introduce another family. This family, we call it ice flower. You see, it's very decorative and very beautiful. We just combine the glass. I want to mention that it is not by molding, it is by handmade glass. Handmade. So every glass, this one and that one is different. You know that molding is the same, each component, but the handmade is totally different. So that is the special and unique point for this family. And we will also combine the brush finish to combine with the crystal, with the handmade glass, which can deliver us a very contemporary and decorative and also a lot of flavor, a lot of taste. It will bring our customer a totally different experience for lighting. They will say, wow, it's not just lighting, it's decoration, it's charming, it's a kind of a lot of taste. Yes, quite
That's
different.
true craftsmanship.
Yes. And then I want to introduce another novelty. Yeah, this novelty, we call it pumpkin. Pumpkin, yes. Actually, it is the second generation of the diamond family. Diamond family, it is generation 1, and pumpkin, it is generation 2. You can check there is some similarity, but also some difference, you see. So that is the upgrading version. Because Kinglong Lighting is very, very innovative. Every year, every quarter, every month, we will invest our R&D to make new design, new rendering, new molding, and then we come to new products. Yes, we are very active in new products development.
No wonder you have so many types of lighting here.
Yes, and I want to introduce you the glass family. This family also selling very, very hot from last year. You can check that the glass will have different color. This is a green, and this is champion gold, and we have clear as well. So customer can choose according to their specific requirements of the market. Yes, according to their market preferences. Yes. Finally, I want to emphasize our metal option. You check, we have bronze metal and chrome, and also we can do copper. Yeah, we can mix different color option for our customers, and we can customize the height. Here we have 4 meter, 3 meter. We can do even 10 meter, 12 meter. If we have a very luxury villa, we can customize the requirements. the height, the total height, even the diameter of the canopy. We can customize according to our customers' requirements. Yes.
No wonder they're so shining.
Yes.
So for those who are interested, how can our buyers contact you?
Actually, it is very easy. We have a QR code. Here, we can show the booth number of our booth. It is hall 14.4 I-10, and we are right here. Please contact us freely. Welcome at any time.
14.4 I-10. Come and see those dazzling eyes.